How to find your wallet on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your wallet on Likee app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee, and once you are here, click on me at the bottom to go to your profile. Now once you are on your profile, you're gonna find your wallet icon beside the share and the viewers icon up there. Click on it, and here you have your diamonds and pins. So this is it. So this is it guys, this is all you need to know. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.